Welcome again to know about ClickFunnels Bonus 2. ClickFunnels Bonus Number 2, Bonus PowerPack Bundle with Bonus Rights, $3,997. This bonus is a game changer, and will single-handedly pay for your ClickFunnels subscription. As part of the Bonus PowerPack, you'll be getting access to the following software products: Group Convert, one of my favorite Chrome extensions that lets you build your email list from your Facebook group. This software is making me money every single day. $197, Link Wizard, a link tracking software that lets you see where your traffic is coming from so you can understand what is working for you. $47 per Mo Sticky Reviews, a social proof software that displays real reviews from your customers. Increases conversions by over 15%. $25 per Mo InvoicingYou, simple yet powerful invoicing software that gives your clients an easy way to pay you online for your products or services. $97 per Mo Magic Zap, create custom personalized sales pages and fire off automations when people visit your site. $47 per Mo. You'll be getting the full versions of each of the softwares, which you will normally need to pay a monthly fees for each. But that's not all. Not only do you get full access to these softwares, but you also get to offer them as part of your own bonus bundle by giving you the software bonus rights, for as long as you remain an active ClickFunnels referral under me. You're also going to be getting white label rights to my top 3 lead magnets. Use them to build your list, inspiration for your own lead magnets, or just package them as part of your bonus offer as I have. Here's what you will be getting. Click the link below this video for more updates. CF Share Funnel Library. The best way to make a lot of money as a ClickFunnels affiliate is to utilize share funnels. You can use them as lead magnets, bonuses, or just study how some of these mega successful funnels work. I've put together a list of 46 different share funnels, including several $1,000,000 share funnels, as part of my CF Share Funnel Library. With the white label rights, you can add your own share funnel links to this document and start making affiliate commissions. Ultimate list of lifetime recurring affiliate programs. I've been maintaining a Google Sheet that currently contains a list of 130 plus lifetime recurring affiliate programs, and it's the largest list of its kind. I'm constantly adding to this list as I find new programs. People love these kind of lists, and you can use it yourself as a resource to make yourself a lot of money. $1,000,000 Ad Swipe Library. I took a look at the Facebook ads of 40 of the top internet entrepreneurs and created this amazing swipe file for you to study and use. Inside, you'll see the entire ad copy and images of millionaire marketers like Russell Brunson, Dan Henry, Ryan Levesque, Hung Jun, and more. You can use this resource as an inspiration for your own Facebook ads, or use it as a great lead magnet to give away as well and build your email list. Thanks for watching this video.